super slow. Step back. Spin all the way around. Volley. Hada, boo. Right foot down. That's your first half turn. Half turn. Half turn. Half turn. Rock onto that foot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Volley all the way across. Hada, boo. I'm sorry. Volley all the way across. Hada. And then around to here. Jumping back. Kick. Hada, boo, re. You know, in one of the videos it goes here. That's not correct. It goes forward. And then you turn this way. You wait 1 and 2. Then you're going to step on the right foot. 3, 4. You're turning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, from this point on, the front of this space, the front part, is really the middle of the circle. So I'm dancing approximately back of the circle, but Anaya would do the same thing I'm doing, but facing in from the front with her back to the audience. So you would picture what we're doing as being towards the front, which is the middle of the circle, where the bully girl is standing. Okay, so now we are ready to be in the circle. And we're gonna go, let's see, so we're here, we do our right foot starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here we're falling across the front, volley, pa, da, boo, re, we stop, kick out, PK to pa, da, boo, re, we sod, kick out, ha, da, boo, re. Okay, let's do that again, and let's do it with counts and add that pause in there so we land in the right spot. So we would finish our 8. We would go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. All right. Part 4. So you're here waiting out the silence. Then we're all going to walk. Let me think about what direction we're walking. We're starting with the left foot. And we're going to go like this. Turn toward your right side. Your left foot's getting ready to start walking. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll wait for the third measure. Then the fourth measure is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it would be the up, down. Again, the up, down is happening along the circle. So you should be, your belly button should approximately be facing the person in front of you, rather than the wall, right? So you kind of turn toward that. So you're going to go up, down, and up, down is going to be opposite leg and hand. So your back leg's going to come up for up, down, which means that because your right leg's coming up in this case, your left arm's going up, okay? Then you're going to step back and do the opposite, just switching the legs and arms. So here we go, up, down, and now we're facing the center of the circle, which would be this wall for now. So this is 6. Say 6 in your head. This is where you're landing. You only got 2 more to do. Now we're going to continue the circle. So we've been going this way towards our right, and we're going to continue that by kicking our left foot out. You close it in front, boo, re. Snapping the leg and arm in, their opposite leg and arm, landing in front. So that now you can go in and kick toward the bully girl. Okay, and that is 8. So say 8 in your head. Now let's do the next 8 count. So there's a little intermediary of music between 8 and 1, and we're using that to suit you to face the back. Now you're facing outside the circle, but I want you to be able to learn this well, so follow along with me. This wall is now the outside of the circle, okay? So let's do that. So we would land, let me get my bearings. Okay, so we'd be right here, left foot front, so you're facing the outside of the circle. Now we're gonna walk again. This time the right foot starting, okay? When we first started part 4, the left foot started. Now part 5, the right foot starts, okay? So the right foot goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So of course that's 2 measures, as you know. So those are your 2 measures. Now measure 3, you just go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna do up, down. What measure is it? 4. So up, down is usually measured 5, but we've collapsed them. So now we're on 4, so we're gonna go up, down, and we're facing the circle, right? And then, so that would be 4. Then you're gonna do your, so last time you did your left arm, now you're gonna do your right arm. So you started with your right foot and then you're gonna use your right foot. I'll turn around in a second. So you're gonna go from there, here, go front and back, and then it's hop in, kick. 1, 2, cheat. Okay, let's do it again. So now, this is part 5. And we're going to, I know it's rough, stand right next to your camera with your back to it. I'll tell you what to do. You're going to turn and look at me in a second, okay? Stand by the camera, back to the camera. You're going to be sitting there with your, so you're going to be in Susu with the left foot front. Okay, get your hands up, right hand on top, in the small of your back. So now we're going to walk with the right foot starting through measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Turn to face me. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 3, 4. Right foot started, so the right hand and leg go. What am I at? This would be 6, 2, 3, 4. 7, 2, 3, 4. 8, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I know it's a lot. Rewind and keep practicing this until you've got it. It's just going to be one of those things that doesn't make perfect sense on purpose because the dance is supposed to be just a little bit off kilter. So you've got this, I believe in you. Let's go on to part 6, our final part. So the first thing we're going to do is spin. This is spinning to your spots. And using the little run double kick to go to your spots, which we obviously will put together in class. So let's see. Right foot, 2, 3, 4, jump, jump, kick, cheat. Okay, so the right foot is starting, and most of you are vaguely spinning to the direction of the right. I'm going to go straight across just so you can keep following me really well. So you're doing Shanae 1, 2, over to spot, 3, 4. Now you're coming out at 4 on your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you hold it. Doesn't have to be 90, but it has to be above 45. Okay, you hold for a minute. Then you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Hang on 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. Let's let's do this. So we're coming through our spin. Right, left, double kick. Hold, take side. Hara, boo, re. And then it would be hara, boo, re. It's just one turn. You're again leaning onto the right left foot so that you can fall right, left, out, left, right, out, behind and out. Here, fall, okay, up, around, you fall to here, do your double kicks, then it would be up, hara, boo, re. You fall right here. Be sure to face corner 2 rather than turning. Now it's turning pas de bourrée all the way to croisé 8 in 5th. Soubresaut, develope to the front, fall onto it, and then it's boo, re, finish. And you finish twisted a little through the shoulders but not the waist. All right, you got